since you guys have acted or portrayed different roles and characters sa television and films, at this point of your career, may mga reservations pa ba kayo sa pag-accept ng projects or acting projects?
Ako, truly a premise from having no limitations. But of course, like there's certain things na nagawa mo na in 25 years that you're probably like, I've done that already, I'm not gonna go back there. Diba? Para, there's certain things that you do in one's career to, it's like a stepping stone. Diba? And there's no point in going back. But but sabi ko nga, I was just talking about this yesterday with Sir Albert in the tent. Sabi ko, ang galing kasi parang you reach a point in your career that everything feels like a take two. Parang, you know, in the beginning of your career, you just don't want the director to get mad at you. You just want to get it right. Diba? So you're doing your best to get it right and for everyone to just, you know, be cool with you. But then, after like 20 years acting, you get the same scenes or same situation shot better because the technology is so much better. Then you realize na parang, wow, I'm already equipped to make these scenes happen. Yung parang you're free in the sequence. Na you're able to tell the story even more. So sabi ko nga, I said parang it's so incredible to still be here and be able to do these types of movies now. Kasi inintay ko rin to eh. There was a time na we weren't doing anything close to this. Parang we were just doing simpler, you know, material. And for me, I'm just so blessed and so I'm so grateful to still be in the industry and be able to be part of all these big projects and to be part of this wave of entertainment. So I'm incredibly grateful and I'm so thankful to Direk Lester and Baron for letting me be part of this big movie. Yeah.
So going back, may reservations ka ba in accepting acting projects?
To be honest, yes. Kasi I've been working with Direk Lester for 2 years now. And I've been rebuilding my reputation, my image. Kasi medyo pagod na po ako sa maniacal, crazy bad guys na walang dahilan kundi magalit sa mundo. Oh.
I'm just getting warmed up, bro. I just got started over here.
Hindi kasi puro kabida noon.
I know. I'm just getting warmed up over here.
So, ako yung sa totoo lang, na-enjoy ko talaga yung character ni Jaguar, aka Miguel Dexon. Nakapagbigay sa akin siya ng hope and clarity sa buhay. And it's always nice to, kumaga yung character ni Miguel pumapasok sa akin eh. Diba? Recovering alcoholic siya. So I'm also that guy. So, pag uwi ko ng bahay, nakakonect pa rin ako doon. Family guy. I'm, you know, focused. Regarding naman maniacal, crazy, psycho guys, okay lang naman sa akin.
Your device
Pero
isn't set up yet.
Okay.
To get started, download the video app on your phone or tablet.
So, regarding naman na maniacal, crazy, psycho guys, tinitimpla ko na lang po siya na hindi ganun ka-scary katulad nung bungo sa probinsyano na puro sigaw. Maganda siya, maraming natuwa. Pero ako hindi na ako natutuwa, napapagod na po ako. And syempre, alam naman po natin na I'm taking good care of my mental health. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang sa probinsyano now is ini-enjoy.
BQ.
Ang ginagawa ko na lang sa BQ now is I'm enjoying the role and I'm trying to find bits and pieces on how to make it fun and fun to do para hindi ako masyadong madala. So pagdating doon, I do my job, I act a little crazy, pagka-cut, I'm back to Baron. So at least meron na po akong mga tools na nahuhugot ngayon for me to continue with my good life now, with my recovery.
Direk, would it have worked po sa other na trabaho? Talagang delivery rider po kayo. May reason po ba kayo kung bakit delivery rider po yung napili niyo po trabaho po ng
Yung pagiging delivery rider kasi ngayon, it is something na many are thankful for. Kasi maraming less privileged sa society na tao, maraming hindi masyadong nakapag-aral, hindi marami ang opportunity nila sa buhay. Dahil sa food delivery, nabibigyan sila ng pagkakataon maghanap buhay. Hindi lang yan bakit ko siya pinili? Kasi lalo ng pandemic, ang dami kong na-meet ng mga tao na walang trabaho, natanggal sa trabaho o na wala ng trabaho dahil sa food delivery apps and food delivery job. Nakapaghanap buhay sila, nakapag-provide sila sa mga pamilya nila. One of the very good examples are our stuntmen. They are working very hard, pero up until this moment, syempre, pag walang project, walang film project, walang action project ang mga stuntmen na kasama ko sa hanap buhay, wala talaga sila kinikita. So this food delivery job na nagagawa nila, it gives them opportunity to work. And we are very thankful for this kind of opportunity for them. Kung iisipin mo naman, if there's a highly functional person na under the spectrum of autism, pwede siyang maging food delivery guy. Basta kaya niyang magmotor, kaya niyang makipag-usap, and meron siyang discipline, which most of them has, and focus, mabibigay nila. So ito yung reason bakit itong trabaho ang pinili na.
Ikaw ba, Baron, yung sa aspect ng pagiging food delivery rider, nag-immersion ka ba? Medyo naganda ka ba? Nag-motor ka ba? Nag-practice?
Nag-practice po ako magmotor. Yung sa akin lang, mabalik na lang sa kwento. Kung tutusin si Santo sa umpisa pa lang, mas mabuti pa nga yung sensibilities niya kaysa sa mga other riders kasi he's always prepared. So he's really special. Akala nila very disciplined. Akala nila he's slow, but he's always one step ahead or 2-3 steps ahead dun sa mga kasamahan niya. So that's his gift. That's Santos' gift. And ayun, natutuwa naman ako na nagawa na.
Nabigyan niya ng buhay yun.
Nabigyan namin ng justice. And ang sarap na inikot po namin yung buong Quezon City. na nakamotor po. So I think yun na yung pinaka sabi ko, grabe no. Hirap pala ng experiences. Mga experience sa mga nade-deliver sa akin. That's why I'm very extra kind to these guys. Pag nagde-deliver sa akin, bibigyan ko ng tubig or binibigyan ko sila ng encouragement. Kasi naintindihan ko, kasi isang buong araw po yun direct, no? Nag-shoot tayo from Dinan de Luca to Quezon Avenue, tapos dumiretso po kami ng CP Garcia, and ang galing din po ng shots natin direct, si Direk Rafi, no?
Yeah, na-journey niya yung it's a tribute also, not just for the people under the spectrum, but also a tribute to the delivery riders.
Yes.
Our modern day heroes yan, araw-araw.
Yeah. Sobrang salamat sa inyo.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
And we ask Jay, Brian, and Direk,
Okay, I use the bathroom lang. Okay.
Okay.
Ako rin,